AI email marketing for small business owners. Email marketing has the highest return on investment of any digital marketing channel. Studies consistently put it at around $36 returned every day for every $1 spent. That is not a typo. No social media platform, no paid ads, no SEO strategy comes close to the numbers on average. Okay. So, what happens in this case is most small business owners either aren't doing email marketing at all or they're doing it very inconsistently. Now, something worth remembering is most small businesses underinvest in email, and in email underinvesting is that it feels like a lot of work. You need to build a list, write the emails, design the templates, figure out when to send, track, and what is working. And do it all over again over the next week. So for a business owner who's already wearing 10 hats, that workload is easy to deprioritize. Now, if AI has, given you that calculation significantly, the writing the subject line, testing the segmentation, the send time optimization, tools exist now that handle all of those automatically. Now, this video is a full tutorial on how to use AI to build and run an email marketing system for your small business. Now, before we get into how, it's worth understanding why email marketing outperforms everything else. Now, the core reason is ownership. When you build a following on Insta or TikTok, you're building on rented land. The platform controls who sees your content, and algorithm changes can cut your reach overnight. Your email list is yours. No algorithm decides whether your subscribers see your message. If they're on your list and your email lands in their inbox, they see it. Now, the second reason is intent. People who give you their email address have actively opted to hear from you. That's a fundamentally different relationship than a social media follower who may have a liked post once and forgotten that you exist. Email subscribers are obviously warmer, more engaged, and more likely to buy. Now, the third reason is that email converts better than social across most industries. Email click through rates run between 2 and 5%, and organic social media reach for business pages is often below 1%. Now, what I'm covering in this tutorial is the complete setup, the platform, and the list building. The campaign writing with AI assistance and the automation sequences that keep your marketing running over time. Now, the first decision is, of course, which platform to use, because your platform determines what AI features are available to you and how your list is managed. So, for small businesses, MailChimp is the most widely known and has a free tier that supports up to 500 contacts and 1,000 emails per month. It has AI-powered subject line suggestions, and you can pretty much go ahead and start for free. No plan is needed, no nothing. So, of course, what we're going to do is we're going to hit sign up and we're going to start creating. Now, you could also go with stuff like Klaviyo, which is the second strongest choice that comes right after MailChimp, or you could even use Beehive, which is the best option if you're building a newsletter as a content channel. But of course, overall, I feel like this is the best version of email marketing that I can go with. So what we're simply going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and sign up right here for ourselves. And once we do that, we're going to hit sign up. Now, once we hit sign up, as you can see, it is going to go ahead and bring us straight into the basic onboarding. Now, the onboarding for MailChimp is pretty straightforward. It takes us straight through to our general email working. So we're simply going to do that. And let me show you what it looks like from inside. Now, an email marketing system is only as good as the list behind it. So before you write a single email, you need subscribers. And that subscribers are going to obviously be created through your audience. Now, the most effective way to build a list is a small business or in a small business is through a lead magnet, something valuable you offer for free in exchange for a small email address. A lead magnet is going to work best when it solves a specific case. Okay, so in those cases, what you can do is you can pretty much go ahead and create different forms that is going to go ahead and take leads out of people, and those could be SMSs or lead ads. Now, the best case would be to create a form on your website or maybe on a link-based form. Now, AI helps in two ways. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm lead magnet ideas and then create a proper platform or a landing page to get those leads. Now, this is where most beginner business owners are going to get stuck. The most important email is your welcome email. The first message you write with a new subscriber is going to have, proper tones and all those things. So let's say over here, I want to build a normal regular email, right? Now, what you can do is you can help AI to write you a proper email. You can go to GPT or Claude or Gemini and ask them to give you the proper subject linings and the proper detailings that you need. And you're going to make sure that your email is worth looking at. So you need to design it properly as well. Now, you could choose templates if you want to. You don't necessarily have to use your own imagination for your creativity, but I think it would be best if you used the proper stylings and templates that the AI has provided you. Now, once all of that is done, you're going to set up automated sequences. And of course, you can get those automated sequences within your email marketing platform. Which is why I said MailChimp was all-rounder, because with the automated emails, you can see you have automations right here that you can set up for your contacts. And once all of this is done, go ahead and just keep sure to keep a track of everything through your analytics. Now, email marketing is the most reliable, highest return channel available to small businesses, and AI has made it more accessible than it has ever been. Now, you don't need a copywriter or a marketing team or months of learning to get a functioning email system up and running. What you need is a platform, a lead magnet, a welcome sequence, and a consistent sending schedule. So start small, set up your platform, create one lead management, write your first welcome sequence through AI. Now, the system is going to get more sophisticated over time, more automated, better segmentation, sharper copy, but the fundamentals are what generate results, and those fundamentals are within reach for any business owner willing to spend a few hours setting it up. Your list is one of the most valuable assets to you and your business right now. So start building it up and make it better. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. That's pretty much about it. I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.